Mutton chops, a classic Indo-Burmese dish that promises great flavours. Let's embark on this culinary journey together. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. To commence, gather 1 kilo of succulent mutton chops. Introduce the spices. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of dhania jeera, and 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Give this aromatic ensemble a thorough mixing, ensuring each morsel of mutton is generously coated. Now, in a deep cooking pot, bring a quarter cup of oil to medium heat. Place the mutton chops in the pan, allowing each side to sear to a glorious hue, ensuring the spices lock in their magic. After about 5 minutes, pour in 3 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat, cover with a lid, and let it simmer for 2 hours. If using lamb chops, this can be achieved in a mere 30 minutes. With our meat now tenderly cooked, gently remove and place them on a baking sheet to cool. The leftover broth, a potential goldmine for a delectable gravy. Now crack open 6 eggs into a bowl. Whisk them with finesse and add a teaspoon of salt and pepper. It's time to give these chops a second act. In a large flat pan, pour in 1½ cups of oil. Dip each chop in plain flour followed by the egg mix, ensuring complete coverage before gently placing it into the sizzling oil. Avoid overcrowding the pan to achieve the perfect crispiness. As the chops dance in the golden embrace of the hot oil, flip them to cook the other side until perfection is attained. Fry all these chops until they boast a golden allure. Behold the chop fry, a classic Indo-Burmese delight. So crunchy and flavorful, typically relished with rice and dal. Personally, I prefer them with fresh onions, a sprightly rocket salad, and a generous squeeze of lime. As we conclude this culinary escapade, I extend my heartfelt thanks for joining me. I trust you relish the journey. Here's a tip. To avoid wasting the egg batter, fry it in the oil for a decadent omelette. Slightly oily, yet undeniably tasty. Happy cooking.